students, welcome to your online tutorial class. Today in this video I will be starting with a chapter from geography. Class 5, already you know that I am taking your English classes, and I will be taking also your geography class. So before starting the class, I would like to say that if you have your geography book with you, so please take it out and turn to page number 18, and we will start with the chapter that is wet wealth. So please follow this video along with the book. At the first, I would like to say about wet wealth. So what does it mean? Wealth means, you know, that wealth is a precious thing for us, okay? And wet, it's similar to the water. And wet wealth. Wealth means obviously water is precious things to us. Water is very precious, and that means a priceless thing for us, and that is why we are saying it as wealth, okay? Water is an extremely precious resource because it is essential to our lives in so many different ways. Obviously, water, we do many things with the help of water, and without water, which is very important, without water we cannot survive. Okay, so obviously it is a very extremely precious thing for us. So we can do many different things also with water, and that is why it is called as wet wealth. So if the question will come that why the water is called as wet wealth, so we can obviously say that as it is extremely precious to us and we can make different things out of this water, so it will be called as, the water will be called as wealth, okay? Now how we get the water, that means what are the sources of water. So now we are going to learn about the sources of water. So sources of water, that means how we get the water, especially in our country. Our country India is we get water, and we also use water in many different ways. So what are the sources of water? Okay, at the first the sources of water means, you can say the number one, that is monsoon rain. Okay, so the first one is, it will be a monsoon rain. It will be the first one, monsoon rain. Number two, that is lakes and ponds. So we get from this also lakes and ponds. Number three, that is rivers of the country. Okay, as we know that India is having enormous rivers, countless rivers. So rivers of the country, that means we get water from rivers also, okay? And number four, that is underground water. Now monsoon rain. Monsoon rain means, you know that India is having the rain, and this rain generally we get at a certain at a certain time of the year, okay? Not every day we get the water, we get the rain, especially in monsoon rain, monsoon time we get the rain when we have the rainy season, okay? That time we get the monsoon rain, and it is a very much important source of water. Clear? Through the that means this monsoon rain, we get a lot of water in our country. Number one. Number two, lakes and ponds. Lakes and ponds means India is having various lakes and various ponds wherever you can go, especially in the villages also we get ponds also, and in towns, cities also we get lakes, and this, so we have enormous lakes and ponds, and because of this it is also a very important source of water. Number three, rivers. Just I have told you that rivers, India is basically a country which is having a lot of water. Okay, lot of rivers. Okay, so obviously through these rivers we get the water. Number 4, that is underground water. Underground water means it's just you can say also the groundwater, through which if you can remember that tube well, if you have seen any tube well, so you can understand the tube well. From there how we get the water from tube well? Obviously from the groundwater. In the ground there is the water supply, and with the help of that water, with the help of the tube well, we get the water, and that is also a source of water in our country. Okay. Now, the most important source of water in India is the monsoon rain. Just I have told you that most important source of water is monsoon rain. Most of India has a summer monsoon, but some parts of southern India have a winter monsoon. You will be very surprised after knowing that generally in the northern India we get the monsoon time after the summer. Okay, after the summer we get the rainy season. But in southern India we also get to see that there they have the rain at the time of winter season. Okay, because now also we get rain, little bit rain in the month of December, in the month of January, but it is occasional. Okay, as because of the that means climate change and everything, we have many problems also in the nature. So because of that we can get the rain at the time of winter season, but generally in the southern India we get the winter rain, not in the northern India. Okay. Farmers who grow a lot of the food we eat depend on good rainfall for their crops to grow well. Obviously, farmers depend on this monsoon rain, because monsoon rain is the source of a huge water. So if the farmers don't get the monsoon rain properly, so we will have the problem. General people, all of the people of our country will have the problem, because everything depends upon this monsoon rain. Okay. Now, because that farmers also grow crops, and after growing the crops, that means they also expect that rainfall will occur, and if the rainfall will not occur, so there will be destruction. Okay, and destruction in cultivation, in the farming. So it's very important that monsoon rain we should have the monsoon rain. Okay. Now, they also depend on the monsoon rain to plant some of their crops. Also, you can I have told you that that means the farmers also depend upon this monsoon water. Okay.